Keep watching to learn how to make this hummingbird feeder. Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share with you a really quick, simple, easy, cheap way to make a hummingbird feeder for your backyard or for your apartment balcony like I have. So all of these items I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Everything was $1 or less, except for these scissors. These are mine, but everything else was $1 or less. So I picked up some twine. This will be used to hang your hummingbird feeder. I picked up a pack of these small containers. I think it came with maybe 10 or 12 in a pack for $1. So you can make more than one hummingbird feeder if you want. But today I'm just going to show you how to use one. I also picked up a bottle of glue. I picked up a pack of hair ties. You might already have these laying around your house, so you might not need to buy them, but like I said, I think I got maybe 6 of these for $1. I also picked up this fake bouquet of flowers to add as decoration. This was also $1. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cut the twine. You're going to want to cut 2 pieces of twine that are roughly the same length and that are long enough for where you want to hang your hummingbird feeder. Next, this piece of twine is optional. This piece of twine is for hanging from wherever you want to hang your bird feeder. I only use this because I don't actually have a hook, so I kind of had to improvise. But if you have a hook, use that. I also was thinking about using this paper clip thing, but I also don't have anything to hang it from, so I just improvised. Like I said, this is quick, easy, cheap, simple. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take your little container, and you're going to want to make sure that your hair tie can fit snugly around the container. Mine fits perfectly, it doesn't fall down. Next, what I'm going to do is you're going to want to attach each end of your string onto the hair tie. So I'll do that real quick and come back. Now I am done with the top of my hummingbird feeder. As you guys probably noticed, I kind of destroyed the first one, but that's what you have backups for, right? So this one will probably still be useful. So I can make a second one if I want to, but we're gonna go forward with this one. The next thing is to add on the fake flowers to the top of your feeder. And to do this, you're just going to want to remove the petals. It's as easy as that. And since I have 4 feeders, 4 feeding ports, I'm just going to take 4 petals. Now the holes on these petals are pretty small, so if you want to make them a little bit bigger, you can just fold them in half and cut bigger slits in them. So now I have each flower with a bigger slit to accommodate both the feeding port on the feeder as well as the hummingbird's beaks themselves. And I messed up a few of them, but the hummingbirds won't care. So the next part is to take your glue, make sure it's open, and, oh, I have to cut off the top for this one. There we go. And you're going to want to glue the petal onto the top of your feeder. So I recommend just adding the glue directly to the petal itself. And you don't want to add too much glue, just enough to make it stick. And you want to make sure to get glue that's non-toxic, just in case any of it gets into the feeder. And you're going to want to put it all around the edge of the petal so that all of the petal can stick to the feeder. Like I said, you don't need too much glue, but just enough. Okay, now that your petals are adhered onto the top, I just use the hair dryer to quickly dry it. You can start to assemble your feeder. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put some water in here, and then we can assemble it all together. So here's going to be your container of nectar. You can put on the hair tie. Then you can put on the top. And there you have it, a homemade hummingbird feeder. And you can hang it up outside, outside your window, outside your apartment. I have a balcony, so I'll be hanging it on my balcony railing. And hopefully you'll attract all the hummingbirds. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. It gave you some ideas on how to make a hummingbird feeder at home by yourself, or this could be a cute little project for you and your children. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you want to see any more tutorials. I will have a tutorial on how to make hummingbird food coming up, but if there are any other questions you have, please let me know in the comment section below. And if there are any other questions you have, please let me know in the comment section below. I am the Happy Birder, and as always, happy birding!